In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your conversion date in Xero. Setting the correct conversion date in Xero is an essential step to ensure that your financial information is as accurate as possible from the very beginning. Let's walk through each step so you can get started with confidence. First, head over to your Xero dashboard. Once you're there, locate the accounting menu. You'll find this in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. When you hover over or click on it, a drop-down list will appear. From this list, select the Advanced option. This section houses more specialized settings, including what we're focusing on today. After selecting Advanced, look for the option labeled Conversion Balances and click on it. This is a crucial area because it deals with the balances that you'll be carrying over from your previous records into Xero. Now, within the Conversion Balances section, you should see something labeled Conversion Date. It's important to set this date correctly, as it marks the point from which Xero will start tracking your financial transactions. Once you click on Conversion Date, a calendar drop-down will appear. This is where you choose the exact date when your journey with Xero officially begins. Use the drop-down menu to select both the month and the year. While you have the flexibility to pick any date, it's highly recommended to choose the first day of a financial year or a VAT period. However, the only requirement is that this date should be before you enter your first transactions in Xero, to ensure there's no mix-up with your financial data. After you've determined the right date, go ahead and click Save. This will apply the new conversion date, locking it in as the official date from which your records on Xero will start. By doing so, you're ensuring that all future financial activity in Xero is tracked accurately from this starting point, providing you with a clear and consistent picture of your finances. Taking the time to set this date up properly will save you from potential headaches down the road and maintain the integrity of your financial data. It may seem like a small step, but it's a foundational one that sets the stage for all your accounting activities in Xero. And that wraps up our video on setting your conversion date in Xero. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to smoothly transitioning to managing your finances in Xero. Thanks for watching, and keep your financial journey accurate and seamless.